Welcome back, friends. A quick lecture on how to move existing rows and columns to different places. I'll be demonstrating how to move a column. Similar applies to rows, that's no problem. So for this data set, considering this data set, I would love to have my opening stock column right before the closing stock so that I can see clearly what was my opening stock and at what it closed the following for the following item. To do that, I will select the column I want to move and press Ctrl X to cut it. A pop-up is showing a warning sign that says we can't do that to a merged cell. Pretty much expected, and it's true. So we will unmerge our set of cells, that is the heading cells, and now we have unmerged it, and now we will cut the column, and the dancing lines are denoting that we have cut the column and there is no issue this time. And now we want to move it right before the closing stock column. Now we want to move it right before the closing stock column, that is column K. So select the column before which you want to move the column, right? And then right click on that column and select insert cut cells. Now you can clearly see the set of cells from column B have been removed or cut away and moved to before column K, which we perform the paste the cut cells, and we will quickly again merge it, okay, and we will left align our heading. So we are back to our normal data set with everything as it was, fine and nice, and we have also moved a column.